Okay, tutorial. How to add subscribe and like button in your video using Kinemaster or Kinemaster. Sakto ba? Open the application and start, click, and then select the 16 by 9 aspect ratio, and then click media to add video. So for this tutorial I'm going to use this video. You click the check mark. Now next step is to add another layer. Click layer and then add media or click media. Now here you're going to insert your green screen video. Okay, so I have here my green screen subscribe video. So as you can see, it still has a green screen. So our next step is to remove the green screen. How to do that? All you have to do is to click the second layer and then in the option box select the chroma key and then enable chroma key. There you go, you successfully removed the green screen. Okay, check that one. Now you can also resize the second video just like resizing an image. So you can also move the video on your desired position. So in my case I'm going to play subscribe button here. Okay, let's try to play. Yes. Okay, next step is to add your like button. To do that, the same procedure, click layer, and then click media, and then locate the green screen video of your like button. I have it here. Let's see. Okay. So the same process, remove the green screen by clicking chroma key and then enable it. There you go. And now you can move the second video in your desired position in the video. So in my case I'm going to place it here. Okay. Now let's check that one. Now let's try to play. There you go. You successfully removed the green screen. Now next step is to export your project. How to do that? Click this icon and then click this icon and make sure to choose the highest resolution for your video for a better quality, and then click export. Now while waiting, if you are new to my channel, please click subscribe and don't forget to like my video. Okay, just go to youtube.com and then search for green screen, subscribe and like button, and don't forget to include Creative Commons. Then click search. I'm going to use this one. Simply copy the URL on top, uh, copy, and then to download this one I'm going to use save from .net. Simply paste the URL and then okay, here you go, download. Simply click download. Okay, so I'm going to use Firefox just once.